Hey friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts, and welcome to a very special unboxing video of magic hats. It is special because we also have an announcement here as well. But first, let's go ahead and get into this diamond painting. So I was really happy to get this one in the anniversary sale that came out just a little while ago, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait for you guys to see this, and I also can't wait to get started on it. When I start on this one, I will be doing a new podcast here on the channel. We've gone through and we've done JoJo's story, Mojo's story, Eli's story, and now I thought let's take a little bit of a break, also because I don't have some of my other stuff yet. But let's do this one and let's do a podcast. Let's get into why do we craft? What makes crafting relaxing? And a bunch of other topics to come. So if you want, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get notified on when videos get uploaded. Podcast should be out here within the next 3 to 4 weeks. Got to get this mystery kit finished first, and then we'll start on this one. This is going to be great. This is fantastic. But with this one, with magic hats, it is 25.6 inches by 61.4 inches. 61.4 inches, that's almost as tall as me. I am 72 inches. 65 centimeters by 155.8 centimeters. Huge. Very big. But I'm a glutton for punishment. I am a glutton for punishment when it comes to large kits. I can't help it. Speaking of, 88 colors is in this one. Total of 88 colors with 3 ABs, 2 specialty drills, and 9 fairy dust diamonds. 9. With a total of 163,386 drills. Now, my anticipation is that this is going to take about 10 weeks to complete, which will be 10 episodes for the podcast. Now, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have you bought this one? Have you started it yet? What do you think of it so far? Let's go ahead and get into looking at this canvas and the drills. Okay, here it is. Here is Magic Hats. Let's get it opened. All right, as we know, every Diamond Art Club kit comes with this handy dandy toolkit. So we have the pen to place. We have our tray to put the drills in. We have some baggies that come along with it. And then inside the tray, there is some wax and some putty available to you to use. So very, very handy dandy toolkit. You can toss it, you can keep it, you can collect them if you would like, as some people do, but they come in real handy. I like these. The other thing that you get is thank you for your purchase. And in here, there are a couple different things. Let's take a look. First, we have our Treasure Quest card, which this one we got a bronze card. So as I've stated earlier in the video, use these to be able to get your points, gift cards, all that kind of stuff. Okay, so here we have our color palette on the sticker sheet. Oh, first, let's take a look at the back of it. There is the full painting, start date, end date that you can add in there yourself if you'd like to. But then the color palette itself, we know there's a bunch of 310 that's going to be in here. I know that for sure. But looking at this, let's cut over to this side here. We've got, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 6,000 numbers that are exclusive to the Diamond Art Club that they have done themselves. The 1, 2, 3 ABs that are in here. Very nice. Here are the 2 specialty diamonds that it was talking about. So 92 and 98. I'm going to be curious to see on the canvas itself what that looks like. Here are then the fairy dust diamonds. Oh my gosh. There's so many of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of them. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the greens that are in here and the blues and just all of it. Just absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. All right, let's look at the canvas. Oh, hang on. I took that out, but you know what? There's more. Oh my God. Okay, now we have the painting itself. Obviously, I'm not going to fit this all in one. We're going to have to do a vertical here. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. The camera does not do this justice. I'm telling you right now, the camera does not do this justice. It just doesn't. It just doesn't. We're gonna look at the drills as we go down this. So 9298. So I'm gonna keep this out here. And yeah. So 9298 is what we're gonna be looking for those specialty ones. I have a feeling they're gonna be down further. Any of this white that we see in here, all of that's gonna be fairy dust. Oh, the fairy dust is really going to be sprinkled throughout this entire thing. It's so overwhelming at first to be able to look at this. The ABs are really kind of what I want to be on the lookout for. So a little bit of AB there. This is so intricate, but it's like in this square here. Where's my other? Oh, are these longer? No, they're not. Okay, there it is. So in this square right here, there's not a whole lot of color changing in some of these. So some sections are going to go a lot faster than others. This section up here might be a little bit of a pain just because of all the constant colors that are in it, but it's still fairly blocked in there, which is something that I like. Let's keep going. Oh my God. Seriously, look at that. And this is just the top part of it. This is just the top part. This is just the two hats at the top. We still have, like, look at this. That's just those two hats and the top bit. We still have all of that to look at. Okay, so then, if I'm looking for, okay, so red fairy dust, it's gonna be sprinkled in through there. A purple AB, looks like we've got some there. All right, I think we're okay with that. All right, moving on. As I start pushing this thing up, I'm going to have to start curling that upwards. Now, this is very nice. So we've got all of these flowers that are in here, this vase that is in here. Okay. I'm not seeing anything standing out per se when it comes to the specialty drills, but I'm also not getting my face right into it so that you guys aren't seeing the back of my head, which no one needs to see. I mean, this does remind me of the Snow Castle one that I did, but the bottom of the hat though, I need to look at that again. So this, I just noticed all of this. This is absolutely gorgeous. The vase, the flowers, very beautiful. Okay, all right, now I'm starting to see right here, these big white chunks that are in here. That right there is where the specialty drills are gonna go. So that's one of them, that's 92. And then this hat is just beautiful. And it's still going. It's still going. So we've got a hat sitting on a vase here, I like that. Got another flower over here. Again, real hard to see where all of the drills are gonna go. I'm really just looking for the specialty ones. Okay, we've got a bunch of specialty ones down here. All of these little spritly things that are down here. 92s, 89s, or 98s. They're down here. Just look at that. And it seems like a lot of the black is down here at the bottom. I mean, that is just a sea of black. It looks like there's some browns mixed in up here as well. But that's a lot of black. I don't know. I feel like this is going to go fairly quickly, though. If you've started on this, comment down below and let me know what you think. A lot of our specialty drills are going to be down here at the bottom. All over in here as well. There's a bunch of them up here in this hat. I love this. This is so great. Okay, here's the drills. Here's the drill. No, instead of here's the deal, here's the drill. Getting this back into the box is not going to be easy. However, also, I'm planning on doing this next, so these aren't going to go back in the box. The canvas will go back in the box. It'll go back in the plastic. This will not go back in the box. But look at this. I mean, come on. Wow. Okay, let's dig into this. Now, I've seen the comments about how many bags of black there are. And we are going to count, just to be sure. And we have a 498. And these are all done by weight. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep, 14 bags of 310. Fan-frickin-tastic. 38, 47, 1, 2, 3, 4 3371s. That's that brown color. I want the fun stuff. That is why we are here. We are here to look at the fun stuff, and I think I just found some of it. So we breeze through some of these. This is a very interesting fairy dust. This is an olive green fairy dust color. I'm not hating it. I'm definitely not hating it. It's different on the camera than what it is, I feel like, in real life, but maybe that's just my eyes. 947. Okay, so here's another AB. I'm not a fan of this color. 3078, I'm not a fan of. I don't know why. I just don't care for it. Maybe because I had to deal with so much of it doing the Harry Potter one, but let's see, what else is there? Oh, this. Look at that. Look at that fairy dust drill. Gorgeous. That's pretty. That is a pretty blue. And then here's our white fairy dust. Okay. Off to the side. Again, I'm not worried about the organization of it because this is getting kitted up here within the next week or two. Okay, 348, 72. Okay, here's a light blue AB, like that. Very nice. Oh, 550, that's my favorite purple. I love that purple. There's not very much of it in here though. Okay, Z605, so there's the pink fairy dust. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, like a light blue, pale blue, turquoise blue fairy dust. Oh, I like that one too. Oh, this has got some great colors in it, you guys. Okay, so specialty drills are probably, well, they have to be in this one. Ah, these things are heavy. 2 more 3371. Okay, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 939s. I actually really like this color. This is probably my second favorite color that I have in all of the colors that I've seen so far. And then 319, 300s, a couple of those, 814, a couple of those, 938s. Okay, here we go. Ooh, 2 bags of the red fairy dust Z666. Okay. So 666 seems to be used a lot in fairy dust, and it seems to be used a lot in ABs. Very nice though, I like it. Oh, and then here's another fairy dust, Z956. I like that one too. 938, 898, a couple of those. Ooh, 3 Z741. So 3 orange fairy dust. Very nice. That's going to add some good sparkle into this. I like it. 817, 433, 740, 801. 400, 311, 580, 950. So we know that the specialty ones are going to be very minimal. So they're going to be in the smaller ones. Here's one of those 6000s that we talk about with DAC colors. It's another 6000 DAC colors. So those are very minimal. Here's the third one. Very nice purples. So all of our other specialty drills, the ABs and the... Oh, I almost lied. Well, this fairy dust, there's actually a decent amount in here, so that's good. I like that. That's actually really, really nice. And then this AB 917, gorgeous. Look at that. That's going to be really nice. And then, ooh, our specialty drill spoiler. Flip it over here. Okay. So that, thank you. Wow. And then these. These are the best. I love this one. So this is the 92, and then this is the 98. Okay. Let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, there you have it. Magic Hats has been unboxed. I'm going to get that one started as soon as I'm done with the mystery kit. It's going to take us anywhere from, I don't know, 3-4 weeks to get this done, and then I'll get started on the podcast series that is going to accompany Magic Hats. Hope you guys join the journey with that. In order to do so, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified on when videos get uploaded. Go ahead and give the video a like to help the algorithm push it out there to other people so they can see it as well. Greatly appreciate your help with this small content creator. To help support the channel in other ways, you can go ahead and look at the description down below. Look at our Patreon page that we have. There's a lot of behind the scenes stuff that you'll have access to, maybe some few polls, and then maybe look at some things that are coming out ahead of time. The other ways that you can help support the channel are going down to the link below and clicking on PayPal and giving a little tip for this small content creator. Every little bit helps. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. That is all we have today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and until next time, light a candle, pour a coffee, and let's keep crafting.